Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. My name is Devarshika Nigam and today we are diving into an essential aspect of our organization's operations, information security and our responsibilities according to ISO 27002 standards. ISO 27002 provides a comprehensive framework for establishing, implementing, maintaining and continually improving an information security management system. It's crucial for us to understand our roles and responsibilities in maintaining the security of our organization's information assets. Firstly, let's discuss the key principles of information security outlined in ISO 27002. Confidentiality, ensuring that information is accessible only to those authorized to have access. Integrity, safeguarding the accuracy and completeness of information and processing methods. Availability, ensuring that authorized users have access to information and associated assets when required. As employees, each of us plays a critical role in upholding these principles. Here are some specific responsibilities we have under ISO 27002. Awareness and training. We must be aware of information security policies, procedures, and guidelines. Regular training ensures we understand how to apply them in our daily work. Risk assessment and management. Identifying and assessing risks to information security within our areas of responsibility and taking appropriate measures to mitigate these risks. Access control, ensuring that access to information and information processing facilities is restricted to authorized users only and that access rights are reviewed and updated as necessary. Incident management, reporting any security incidents promptly and accurately and cooperating in investigations to determine the root cause and prevent recurrence. Compliance, adhering to relevant laws, regulations, and contractual requirements related to information security and ensuring our actions are in line with organizational policies. Continual improvement, actively participating in the improvement of our information security management system by suggesting improvements and adhering to best practices. In conclusion, by fulfilling our responsibilities under ISO 27002, we contribute to maintaining the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of our organization's information assets. This not only protects our organization but also enhances our reputation and builds trust with our stakeholders. Thank you for your attention to this important topic. Let's continue to prioritize information security in everything we do. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Have a great day. Thank you.